Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty nice. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, at first we need to insert the picture in the background. We copy the picture, we have the picture, inserted that. And after that, inserting the picture, you see I insert all the slide. You just copy the picture, paste it. Now it's time to create the effect. This is just a text, nothing more. Text with the large size. You can find it from here. Impact font and this size. And also you can change it simply by changing the format of the text to which you want. Let's go with that. And let's see how we can create that shape we want. We create a rectangle here. Color it black. Set the shape outline to black also. And here, we'll reduce the transparency, rotate it, put it here. Or you can also use this effect. I'm okay with that. And then you need to create this shape. How to create this shape? This is also an easy one. You need to just simply add a rectangle, and after adding that you just simply need to color it black, shape outline black. Then you need to edit points, to the shape you want. Let's go for example with the shape this like this. And put your text in, or the shape we have here. I'm going to copy that shape that we have here already and bring it down. Copy this slide, reduce its size, bring this thing with the shape up, and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.